Activity with an evaluation rubric. Task 4. Oral. Production student José Ricardo Bautista. Tutor Juan Gabriel Vargas Robles. Room 9612132. Universidad Nacional Abierta de Estancia, Bogotá, Distrito Capital. English, age 523. What is the step by step of doing and couples? It is the product resulting from a process of biological decomposition. Or in watts. It is a product ecology and can be used in the urban agriculture, as it provides the necessary nutrients to the soil, improving the process was naturally follows the make the earth fertile by creating humus. There are several types of compost. Some of the term are hop compost, packaged compost, and vermicompost. Materials: plastic bag or box that allows drainage and ventilation. 2. Soil and water. 3. Garden water, glass clippings, fallen leaves, etc. 4. Gloves. 5. Garden watering can. 6. Garden spot. 7. Cover white mosquito net or mesh. 8. Organic wax declared. Whites. Orange capture. Leavened tea bags, fruit and vegetable remains using nappings. Brown's garden. Sandwich, storm, tree leaves, crabs clippers or pruning tricks. What's to avoid? Scrubbing or carnivores, animal sows, as dogs and cats. Diseased plants, oils, fats, and dairy products, meat, bone, or fish remains. Preparation. First layer. Deposit a layer of soil and broad organic watts in the bottom of 10 and 5 centimeters. Second layer. Place the organ, water the layer, start waiting green watts for a layer of the 3 and 5 inch. Third layer continues which connects layer of sandwich of dried leaves the brown residues of 3 and 5 inch. Repeat on the vine in Felix. Repeat the process as you generate what until the bean is refined, and add a water to keep and moist. Avoid the water lodging. Repeat until the container and fill it. Mix the layer constantly. Mix the layer constantly. They circulate. They are the help decomposition. Mix the layers constantly. Cover the cups when mixed. Always cover the last layer. White soil the broadly residues and cover the container with mix to avoid underwater animals. Thank you.